Hello everyone! Happy New Year! If this is the first time you see me here, my name is Freya, Abram's mom, and welcome to Abram's Mom Kitchenette. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing you how to make a chewy chocolate chip cookies that really has a chew when you bite into it. I know you're going to say that this is just the same recipe that you know, but nope, this is not. And with all the recipes I've tried and tested, I can say that this is the best recipe that I've found. And this is what I'm going to share with all of you. To start with, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Put together the brown sugar and the white sugar, the olive oil, or you can use sunflower oil. Here, I use sunflower oil, but don't use canola or vegetable oil as they impart a funky flavor on a cookie. Then, the room temperature butter. Mix until smooth for 2 minutes or until fully incorporated. And with the mixer on low speed, add in the 2 eggs, but one at a time, blending it completely before adding the second egg. Then add the vanilla and continue mixing until everything is well blended. Now for the dry ingredients, whisk together the all-purpose flour and the bread flour, which I already pre-sifted. And this is the difference of this recipe from the common recipes of the chocolate chips that you know, because of the bread flour. That makes a chewy chocolate chip cookie. So put in the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix, add and fold this into the wet ingredients until the dough is just well blended, but you can still see streaks of flour. And then lastly, add the chunks of chocolate or chocolate chips, whatever you want. Milk, dark or bittersweet, until they evenly distributed in the batter. And ta-da! Here's the dough. However, if you don't want to bake this at once, you can always pop in this to the fridge or freeze and bake some at a time. But just note that this will make a puffier cookie and it will pull out more caramel, which is even more tastier. So now that our dough is ready, we can now roll this into 3 tablespoonfuls. And what I like about this dough is that this is 0 fridge time. It means that you can bake it right away. So let's roll this into a ball. This recipe will make 24 cookies. So place this on the prepared sheets, 9 cm space between the dough balls to allow the spread. And if you want, you can always sprinkle each with a pinch. So bake this in the center of the oven for about 11 to 12 minutes. They will of course look slightly underdone. Allow them to cool for 10 minutes. So this one, you can see that it's still crispy on the outside. It's brown, crispy on the edges, but still gooey and chewy in the middle. So let's break this. Look how chewy. So let's taste. You can really feel the texture. So gooey and chocolatey. So please try to make this recipe and tag me at Abram's Mom, hashtag #ChocChipBrand. And also, if you don't want to bake this recipe, this chocolate chip recipe, you can always message us at Facebook, at our Facebook page, Abram's Mom, and send us a message for your orders. So if you like this kind of video and you find value, hit the subscribe button now. For now, just eat, enjoy, and love. Abram! Here, you want cookie? Let's get one. Yummy.